Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Vivobook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Asus Vivobook screen is cracked and unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen, leading to cracks that can impair functionality. If left unaddressed, it may worsen over time, potentially causing internal damage and affecting your device's performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a replacement screen specifically for your Asus Vivobook, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is powered off completely and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the screen bezel using your plastic prying tool. Work your way around the edges to avoid any damage to the screen. Once the bezel is removed, you'll see the screws securing the screen in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe spot. With the screws removed, you can now gently lift the cracked screen away from the device. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. You'll need to disconnect these gently using your tweezers. Take your time here to avoid damaging any components nearby. Now, take your new screen and carefully connect the cables to the appropriate ports, ensuring a secure fit. Once connected, position the new screen into place and replace the screws, tightening them just enough to hold the screen without over-tightening. Before reattaching the bezel, it's a good idea to power on your device to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed everything is working, snap the bezel back into place, making sure it fits securely. Finally, give your device a final check to ensure everything is in order. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider investing in a protective case for your Asus Vivobook. Additionally, always handle your device with care and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.